Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing kind of an unboxing, I guess. So, a little bit of background here. Down in the lower left-hand corner of that box, you can see Made in the USA. The more I've worked on cars, the more anti-China I have become. So when I went to buy a cooler, I was looking for something that was made in the United States. And unfortunately, a lot of your coolers are not made in the United States. There are others that are also made in the United States, but I found this Cordova brand, which is made in the US. I've never seen one in person before. I tried to find something on YouTube, and there really wasn't much there. I'm gonna go out and do some camping, actually starting this evening. So this showed up today, which was pretty much perfect timing. So with that said, I don't really have anything to review. I'll do another video later where I talk about it a little bit maybe. But right now, I'm just gonna open up the box and show you what's inside. It says right there, do not open with a sharp object. If you're going to open it with a sharp object, you should probably be careful about that. So what comes in a cooler box? Well, as you might expect, there's a cooler. Down here in the bottom corner again, it's got Made in the USA, certified bear proof or bear resistant, whatever that is. Yep, resistant. So this is the medium size. It's supposed to hold 42 cans, 21 pounds of ice. These are just kind of my initial impressions here. I don't really have a whole lot. Oh wow, it's got a little, oh that's nice. So when I first opened this, I thought, man, that's a little bit stiff, but here's what it is. It holds the lid up. So you open up this lid and it actually stays. So it's a little bit stiffer to open and close than what most of the coolers I've used are, but it's really not obnoxious, and that's kind of a nice feature. We got our standard seal like our higher end coolers have. Got two different styles of handles. We got the aluminum flip ups here with a bottle opener. I like the handles. Okay. So most of our handles on your higher end coolers flip from the bottom up. This is backwards and it's kind of nice. You can definitely get into that easier if you've got this in kind of a tight spot. I will say this, just the Bear cooler on its own is slightly heavier than what I would have expected, which I would think should lead to better ice retention, things like that. I hate to set it down, so we'll just kind of look at these. Something else I was kind of noticing here is these, when you set it on the floor, it stays put pretty well. It's got these nice rubber feet on it. I would imagine you put a little bit of weight in this thing, and it's actually, like, right now it's actually sticking pretty good, but you put some weight in there, I bet that stays right where you put it. Again, these are just kind of, this is an unboxing, just my initial impressions of it. The price is, it's a premium cooler, it's not cheap by any means, but for what it is, compared to the other stuff that I've seen, this seems like a pretty good value to me. If it works as well as it looks like it should, I think this is probably going to be a good purchase. I was kind of looking around for an overview of one of these coolers, and I didn't see one, so that's what I'm doing there. Alright, so you got your don't store your children in the cooler tag. Standard kind of rubber seal around there. It's got an area for a divider, which is just kind of a mid-size cooler. This is pretty deep. I feel like this is deeper than most of the ones this size. Maybe not. So this is actually a pretty good size cooler. It's got your nice thick walls on it on both sides. I actually kind of like this. You've got two different styles of handles. You've got your plastic or your soft grip aluminum. So right up in here, these little bumps, that's what holds the lid open, so you don't have to worry about it closing on you as you're getting stuff out. Probably not as big a deal in this mid-size one, but you get into a big cooler with a full-size lid, and that's a really nice little feature. So we're certified bear resistant and made in the USA. Again, this is the mid-size, medium size 50, which I think is 48 quarts. Yep, 48 quarts, 42 cans, all that stuff. Alright, that's it. I know this is a little bit of a deviation from what I normally do on this channel, but I figured I'd throw it in there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.